Hi Ankita ma'am.
Yeah, hi Vanchika, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I am better.
Let's start with a quick introduction. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Ankita. I am working as a consultant developer in IBM for almost 5 years right now. And I post graduated from Triple IT Gwalior. I did my BTech and MTech. It was an integrated degree from Triple IT Gwalior. Yeah, that's about it. If you want to know any hobbies or I do snowboarding, I play basketball, trekking. Yes.
आपने एनिमेशन ज्वाइन कब किया था?
2015.
एंड तब आपने क्या स्टार्ट कराया था उस टाइम पे?
I started just learning the basics of Java and class, like importance of classes and objects, and then moved on to Java applet, and that were a thing back then. Then I did some coaching on Android and started building some basic Android applications. Started from there.
तब आप
So it
बीटेक परस्यू कर रहे थे जब आपने ज्वाइन किया था एनिमेशन?
Yeah, I just joined college and I had no like language, programming language coaching before that. Usually people have that in their standard, senior standard classes, but I didn't. So I wanted to join and get some knowledge apart from the college studies and all, some practical knowledge of it. So I joined emulation for 3 months, and I think I learned every other day some new things. And I was basically taught by Shalendra sir personally during 2-3 hours of the day. And then we used to sit in the lab inside and do some projects and go home and then come back again and do the same thing every day. But concept wise, understanding how the system works in the starting, right now it's like AI this, AI that, but we didn't have that. So he provided a great help during that.
मैम जैसे आपने बताया आप ट्रिपल आईटी ग्वालियर से पास आउट हैं, तो आपने एनिमेशन उस टाइम क्यों ज्वाइन किया? बिकॉज ट्रिपल आईटी में तो टीचर्स भी बहुत अच्छे होते, तो यहाँ पर आपको कैसा एनवायरनमेंट मिला या कैसा लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस था आपका उस टाइम?
It's not like that. Matlab, if you will go to the basic of understanding programming knowledge, it's not just like languages, right? They teach you by the book. So it's the book of day one. If you should have some prior knowledge to it, and if you don't, you feel like it's going way too fast. Like in the classes, teacher, like it's not primary level classes, right? So it's professors gonna come and they're gonna go and they're gonna make you understand one algo in a day. Understanding algos is one thing, but keeping up to the like actually making applications, that to like 10 years ago. Now it's like you give one prompt to ChatGPT and make them understand your idea is, and you'll get one app. But it was not back like that back then. And we were just, I was just entering into the tech world and I didn't have any understanding of programming languages. So that did a great deal of help with me, helping to understand the basic classes and objects and like blueprint of system design in general.
हम जैसे अब आज की इंडस्ट्री एआई की तरफ है, तो एलएलएम हो चुका है एंड लोग बोलते हैं एमएल रिप्लेस हो रही है एलएलएम के थ्रू, एंड रिसर्च इंजीनियर्स की डिमांड भी काफी बढ़ रही है. तो व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन ऑन दिस?
It is true. Exactly. Like, it's not gonna like they're gonna replace the engineers or whatever, but research engineer is like there is one existing product out there. Now everybody just don't want to have a product, right? They want to build a business out of it. They want to make it profitable. So if a normal business like that, I am making my product, I am servicing it to the people out there, I'm doing good marketing, do anything, but somehow I feel it's lacking somewhere and it's not getting me profit. So it one example of putting the research AI to that taking all that data, like if you have 3 branches, collecting that data, the rush hours and taking everything into account, what you can do better is like every day to day a research engineer or LLM models will predict that, can predict that. But LLM models are like taking it to the next level. Earlier we used to do like programming languages, learning programming languages, right, to make it understand to the computer. But now it's not like that. It's like you type in English and it's giving you what you want. Like you are talking to the computers in English right now. You don't have to learn Java or anything. But 10 years ago things were different. But yeah, it's like it is drastically changing in AI, and there are scope for research. Like people have taken AI to the enormous levels in just 3 years. So it's only gonna learn more,
जब बैक इन
I think.
2015 आपने एंड्रॉइड एप्लीकेशन एंड जावा सीखा था, उस टाइम आई थिंक एंड्रॉइड काफी बूम पे था, बट जैसे अभी इंडस्ट्री जो है एआई की तरफ ड्रास्टिकली मूव कर रही है, तो आप कैसे सस्टेन कर
Hmm.
पा रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री में?
Basically ऐसा ही है कि if you can use AI to your advantage, it's there to help you. It's not like it's gonna replace you. If you don't not gonna use it, somebody's gonna do your job better. But you're doing it in a week, somebody's gonna do it in a day with the help of AI. So why not just use AI to help better, faster, accurate? And it's like if there are 10 files in a project, like simple as project, it's like 10 files, but AI is gonna do the better job of reading all those files and getting the context and what you wanna do better. Now if I wanna add one more feature, AI can read the files better, do the configuration better, and suggest output how to change and insert that feature into your existing code, but and create the whole new project very faster and quicker. If you don't use the AI in your daily life and daily projects, and what you're gonna do in 2 days, if you're not gonna achieve in 2 hours by the help of AI, you might not be able to survive in this industry after maybe 2 years or something. I feel.
एवं जैसे अभी मैंने आपने जब 2015 में एनिमेशन ज्वाइन किया था, तब कोई मेमोरेबल इंसिडेंट या कुछ भी बात जो आपको याद हो उस टाइम की?
I just remember us taking classes and sitting in the labs and doing our projects and like तुमने कितना कर लिया, तुमने कितना कर लिया, and sir used to give us like 3 applications to make and some ideas about it, and we were just gonna race each other to it. Just simple things like students, maybe we were like learning very new to the this whole tech world, and that was quite special.
जैसे आपने उस टाइम पे जब सर से सीख के गए थे कॉलेज, तो क्या जो आप सीख के गए थे उसका बेनिफिट हुआ था आपको वहाँ पे कॉलेज में?
Yeah, obviously, I did my first intern as an Android developer. So obviously that helped. If you're while you're studying, you're getting an intern and that too using your knowledge into it and real life application. Those are earning somebody's money and you're working on real projects there. So it helped me. Yes, it did. The concept is like I'm still as a tech stack. I'm still using Java. So yes, it helped.
जो अभी करंट आपका रोल है, आप प्लीज उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
Basically, there is this telecommunication product of Canada. The client is Canadian client, so there are like we similar to what we have as like Airtel here, right? So internet, TV, Netflix, and all of those managing of those products and consulting them whenever there is a real client request, and that can be like adding a new line of business or they want to change one approach to one product to stop selling and how to make it beneficial, how to make it revenable so they can make more money out of it. So we help them do it.
जैसे आज के स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे आपके अकॉर्डिंगली ऐसे क्या चीज है जो आज के स्टूडेंट्स मिसकंसेप्शंस रखते हैं बट वो रियलिटी है?
Oh no, I haven't been talking to many students lately.
नहीं, लाइक
Wouldn't know.
अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एज, मतलब आपकी
Are you a student?
तो करेंटली आई एम।
Maybe. If you find something out, let me know. I don't know.
एंड जो आपने जैसे सर की टीचिंग मेथोडोलॉजी के बारे में एंड आपने ट्रिपल आईटी की टीचर से भी पढ़े हुए हैं, क्या आपको दोनों में कभी सिमिलैरिटी लगी थी या कुछ डिफरेंस था?
It's not like that. It's like nobody is teaching you programming language in colleges like sir used to teach us. Obviously, it's like class by class and explaining you are teaching like college level experience is always different because you're teaching to a class of 127. You don't even know the names of your students. So professors really do not care about how you're doing, what you are doing, but he actually did. And it's like it's different, obviously. There's like different platform. So I wouldn't compare it like that, but obviously this was like more like personal communication going on, and there it was like professor student scenario. You're not even gonna have any personal touch with your professor ever, despite from like submitting assignment or something else.
मैम अगर आपको किसी स्टूडेंट को एमुलेशन को रिकमेंड करना हो तो अदर देन ट्रेनिंग कोर्सेज आप किस रीजन की वजह से एमुलेशन को रिकमेंड करेंगे?
For the community, maybe the community they are building. It's not just like student teacher approach. It's like there are many students and they're learning together, and when you attend a class like that and everybody know everybody and you know your teacher and you are meeting daily and like taking feedbacks, and next day you're talking to what did you do that or what did you understand by that, that's really so there's a personal connect to it. And yeah, I would say that you would be learning from somebody who really wants to make you better.
एंड मैम जो अभी आप जिस टाइम एमुलेशन में जब थे 2015 में, तो आपके साथ में जो बैचमेट्स थे तो उनके साथ अभी भी आप कनेक्टेड हैं?
Not that personally, but sometimes sometimes, yes, I talk to them sometimes. Sometimes maybe liking Insta stories here and there, and somebody like sending text to
कि
each
क्या
other.
अभी आपकी तरह इंडस्ट्री में है कि वो भी इन्होंने ड्रॉप किए हैं कुछ?
I knew Digvijay is one guy who is still in industry, and I saw his LinkedIn post to join somewhere. I don't know remember the name of the
दिग्विजय
company,
सर,
but
दिग्विजय बंसल सर,
yes, Digvijay.
यूएस।
हाँ, yeah.
एक्चुअली उनका भी मैंने किया था 2 वीक पहले।
Yeah, LinkedIn पे मैंने उनका पोस्ट देखा था. So I think that guy, but I'm not like in touch with everybody else. I think everybody else is not in the tech. I don't know anymore. Some people were just doing it for the fun as well, like how just to learn that. That was really nice. Oh,
तो
it's
उस
getting dark and rainy here. Sorry, I can't do anything about the light.
एंड उस टाइम शिलेंद्र सर के अलावा भी कोई और थे जो आपको पढ़ाते थे?
No.
सर ईशा मैम?
No, Isha ma'am. No, not from Isha ma'am.
क्या शिलेंद्र?
Yeah, I think she started teaching later. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. I'm not in touch with her anymore.
Thank you, ma'am, so much for your time.